Good morning. Today's topic is oogenesis and this is the part 4. We will study about the egg membranes in this lecture. Egg membranes. In contrast to the male gametes, the female gametes or the ovum of the animals is nothing but a larger nutritive yolk-filled cell, and thus the ovum also contains all the organelles and inclusions of all cell animals. The size of the ovum varies in different animals and is depend on the amount of yolk which is present. The oogenesis is followed by formation of protective egg membranes around the ovum except sponges and cylindrids. Almost all the animals have a protective membrane surrounds the ovum. These membranes are produced by the egg itself or by the follicle cells of the ovary or by the oviduct of the female. On the basis of their origin, the egg membranes are classified into three types. Like other cells, the ovum is also covered by a thin covering membrane, the plasma lemma. Beside the plasma lemma, the egg or the ovum is also covered by additional covering membrane, and which are jointly known as the egg membrane. On the basis of origin, the egg membranes are three types: primary egg membranes, secondary egg membranes, and tertiary egg membranes. First, primary egg membranes. These membranes develop in the ovary between the oocyte and the follicle cells around the plasma membrane. Primary egg membranes are secreted either by follicle cells or by oocyte, and sometimes by the contribution of both. The primary membranes have different structure in the different animals. Uh, they found in the form of the vitelline membrane, uh, example insect, echinoderms, mollusks, protochordates, fishes, amphibians, birds and mammals, or B. chorion. uh, the examples are fishes, amphibians and reptiles. C. Zona radiata, example mammals, and Zona pellucida, which is present in mammals. This is a diagram of graphene follicle, and in this diagram we can see the Zona pellucida around the ovum and the other membranes, the corona radiata. These membranes are primary egg membranes, and they are formed by the oocyte itself uh, within the ovary. Now in detail, primary membranes. In some animals, egg membrane is known as vitelline membrane, and it is very thin and transparent and contains mucopolysaccharides and fibers. Protein. The space between vitelline membrane and the plasma membrane is called perivitelline space, filled with a fluid called perivitelline fluid, commonly found in egg of insects, mollusks, echinoderm, amphibian and birds, as I told you before. Second, chorion It is found in the eggs of lower chordates, uh, like the fishes, amphibians, and it is a product of surface oplasm. C, a third one, zona radiata, the primary membrane of egg of the shark, some bony fishes, some amphibians, and some reptiles, has a radiated appearance produced by the surface of oplasm called zona radiata. Zona pellucida, it is a glycoprotein layer surrounding the plasma lemma of mammalian oocyte secreted by the follicle cells. Now the secondary membranes. The secondary membranes is formed as a basement membrane by the layer of the follicles, follicle cells that surround the ovum. They are formed by the ovarian tissue within the ovary, and these membranes are usually tough and impermeable. They are found in the form of chorion or corona radiata. Chorion is a common outer covering in the eggs of insect ascidians and cyclostomes. It is found outside the vitelline membrane. As the chorion is tough and impermeable, it is provided with one or more opening called micropyles through which the sperms enter the egg. Corona radiata, which is found in mature mammalian eggs around the ovum outside the zona pellucida. This membrane is formed by columnar radially arranged layer of follicle cells. And these two membranes are called the chitinous capsule in insect or jelly coat in the fishes. The tertiary membranes. They are formed by the various region of the oviduct uterus. Means the tertiary membranes are secreted by the cells of oviduct when ovum moves through the oviduct. They found in the form of white albumin, shell membrane, shell and jelly coat. White albumin. It surrounds the vitelline membrane of hen egg and formed by the secretion of anterior part of the oviduct, consists of water and protein. Shell membranes. The two shell membranes of keratin cover the albumin in the egg of hen. In this diagram we can see the membranes. Shell. The shell is the outer porous covering formed by calcium carbonate and collagen found in the egg of reptiles and birds and shark. This diagram, the outermost covering is shell. Jelly coat. The amphibian's eggs are covered by albumin or jelly as gelatinous covering called jelly coat. These jelly envelopes attach the eggs in mass and protect them from the infection and insulate them. In this diagram, ova are generally round in shape, but in some animals they may be elongated and ovoid like the birds or the chick. In relation to the body cells, the size of egg is generally quite large. However, the size of diameter of egg is also very variable. For example, the diameter of vertebrate ova varies from 0.06 mm to 85 mm, and the color of the ova is dependent upon the type of pigment granules present in the ova. So this is all about my today's lecture, the various types of egg membranes. Thank you.